Okay, so yeah, we just today got in through the FedEx a box of material from a CRM company, a cultural resource management company, and we can do an entire video about who they are. But we just got a box today, and we're going to talk about the process of what we do with that type of a thing. So let's go look at the box. And I happen to carry a box cutter on my keys. Do not use your keys to open up this type of box. I have an actual box cover. So we'll see what's in the box. And always be careful when opening the boxes to make sure that you don't cut yourself, but you also don't cut what's in the box. Make sure to hold it up above whatever might be in the box, because you never know how fragile or how close to the top that might be. Ooh, there's another box. There we go. All right, so this is good. They packed it with lots of packing materials for fragile things. They sent us a DVD which indicates testing the Pinion premise. So some of the things that they would have in there about the BLM report, things that are relevant to what's in the box. They sent us a catalog which tells us which box it's in, which is box number 1. There's always only one. Tells us what the artifact is there, the kind of material that's there, and how many to expect. So that's very helpful. Ooh, a report. Awesome. All right, so this is an example of good curation practices. They've labeled our box with the kind of things that's in there. They've labeled the bag. They have flotation samples, it looks like, in the aluminum foil to keep our hands and the oils and other things from contaminating what's in the box in that bag. They have archival bags. They've labeled the outside of the bag so we know what's to expect in there, and they've given us a nice good label for the item, including the site number and the catalog number and what's in it, etc. So they did a really great job about that. So what I'll do now is I'll make sure that everything is in our records properly. I'll go to the past perfect and to our Excel spreadsheets and make sure that we have a good record of what we have. And we'll update everything and we'll put it on the shelves up in where it belongs, up in our curation shelves. And I'll make sure that in past perfect it tells you when you want to go find this item for the next researcher to go figure out what's going on, then we know where to find this stuff.